Hi, my name is Ryan DeAngelis. I'm here at the Guaranty RV Supercenter in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you, it's a Jayco Jay Flight 2019 184 BS. So it's going to have a slide in it, which is pretty unique for an 18-foot trailer. So 18 foot on the box, you got your hitch and bumper, sticks out a little bit, but you got a big propane bottle up front. Still get a lot of underneath storage here for outside storage. You have a large power awning on the outside with an LED light strip in it. This model here is the Baja edition. I have this in Baja and non-Baja. It's a little cheaper if you go non-Baja, and it's a little bit lighter, but either way this thing weighs just a little over 3,000 pounds. If you want to step in, I'll show you some stuff in here. Alright, you got your master bed up front. Good size there. You got windows all the way around the bed area. So you got dark shades that cover all that as well. You got your air conditioning on the side, not on top, so this unit's not real tall overall. You got your booth style dinette here that's in the slide. This can make into an extra bed if you need it to, but you also have two bunks in the back, two good sized beds back here as well. So over on this side you have your whole kitchen, your fridge, microwave. They went to solid surface countertops this year, so there's no seams on that. This is tongue and groove plywood in the floor. Most of the stuff you're going to look at in this weight range, this size range, is going to have a lot of particle board and stuff in it. So this is a Jayco Jay Flight, so that means real wood in the floor. Now you have your bathroom back here. It's a full bathroom. You have a toilet and a shower and a tub area in there. All LED lights on these. AC, like I said. You got a sound system as well. You got speakers on the outside. Follow me, I'll show you some more stuff on the outside. You got made in the US Goodyear tires, whether it's Baja or not Baja. The biggest difference is you got a little bit more clearance in this wheel well because they flip the axles on these, and you have a little bit bigger of an off-road tire. Still a made in the US Goodyear tire, but it's a little bit more aggressive than what you'll get on the non-Baja, which is going to have a tire more like this. So you got LED lights on the inside, like I said, but also on the outside. You have a full-size spare on the back. It's also a made in the US Goodyear tire. Your dump station's easy to get to, all your tabs are easy to get to, your water connection, and then your power cord's a short cord that just pops right out of here. Very easy to do. If you're looking for something, you don't want to spend a whole ton of money, you want to have something that's still built very, very well, nothing too huge, lightweight, this is the way to go. The Jayco Jay Flight's the #1 selling travel trailer in the United States every year since '05. I got a bunch more stuff I'd like to show you on it. Shoot me a call when you can. My number is 541-525-4001. My name is Ryan DeAngelis here at the Guaranty RV Supercenter in Junction City, Oregon. Talk to you soon.